Are you kind of frustrated by your Galaxy A56 battery draining too fast? Do you want to know how to get your phone to last much longer? Well, in this video, we're going to talk about some really simple tips to improve the overall battery life on your Galaxy A56, and this will also slow down its aging process. Now, overall, we're going to talk about your charging habits and then some display and the battery settings itself. A charging habit is simple. Try to use the original cable that came with your A56. If you don't have it or don't want to use it, just make sure you're using any quality charger and adapter with that. And also, try to avoid frequent low charge. It just provides extra strain on your battery. When it starts to go under 20%, just plug it into a charger. Now, let's go check out some display settings. From settings, scroll down for display. Dark mode is great for saving battery. So if you want, you can turn it on. For this video, I'm going to just keep it light. And then if adaptive brightness is turned on, you can just turn it off and then manually change your brightness. Next, what I'm going to do is just go to motion smoothness, and if it's selected to adaptive, if you want, you can just keep it to standard. You can always come back in here and change the refresh rate if you're a gamer before gaming. And lastly, we're going to go to the screen timeout. Now, the less timeout is selected, the less battery will be consumed. It's easy. Now, more or less, we all know that always on display is one of the biggest reasons to drain battery on a device. So next, we're going to go to the always on display settings. From settings, scroll down to lock screen and AOD to always on display. Now in here, if you want, you can just turn it off all the way. If you want to keep it, fair enough, you can go to the when to show option, and from here, you can select the frequency to show always on display on your lock screen. Just select any of these options except for always if you want. After that, we're going to go to some battery settings. From settings again, scroll down for battery. Now I'm going to come back to power saving later in this video. First, I'm going to enter the background usage limit. Now here you can select put unused apps to sleep option. So there is less amount of background app activities on your device that can drain a lot of battery. After that, you can go to never auto sleep. Just go ahead, select your most used apps in here. And you can select all the rest of the apps in sleeping apps and also in deep sleeping apps, especially any system apps that you never want any notification from, that you actually don't need any notification. This will reduce the background app activities to the lowest and save a lot of battery. Now after that, I'm going to just go back to battery settings and from there enter the battery protection. If you want, you can keep this turned on, and as you can see, if you select the maximum option, it's better to charge till 80% for the overall improvement of your phone's battery life. What you can do is just keep the maximum option on at night to prevent your device from overcharging, and you can just go ahead and select basic for the day. After that, I'm gonna just go back and scroll down and then enter the charging settings. Now, fast charging is great, but this will always create extra strain on your phone's battery. So it's totally your call if you wanna just keep it turned off. Now lastly, when your device is going down on battery, you have no way to charge it then and there, you can just come back in here and enter the power saving option. Now as you can see, when your device is on power saving, a lot of functions will be limited if you keep these options turned on. A few of those we have already shown you. You can also turn on limit apps and home screen. In that case, your device will run unlimited functionality. Now let me turn this option off so I can enter the 3 dot from there to adaptive power saving. If you turn it on, your device will learn your usage pattern and will automatically turn on or off the power saving mode according to your usage pattern. And you know what? These are all the ways that you can try to fix any battery draining problem on your A56. Thanks for watching.